querying and verifying, querying and verifying the package. Querying and verifying the package. How you can query, how you can verify the packages. So if you want to verify if the package is installed or not, if the package means software, if the package is installed or not, how you can check it. So you can check it by using rpm-qa. So what is that? RPM options package. Okay, RPM options package. So what are the options, guys? What are the options? -q query -a all hyphen I info hyphen I info hyphen d documentation. Okay, documentation hyphen l list all the files from the package. From that package hyphen c configuration files. It will see the configuration files hyphen f hyphen f. So files from which package? So files from the which package? These are the options for querying and querying and verifying the packages. Is understood? Yeah. So how you can check it? RPM-QA. So something like the RPM-QA package name. So what it is showing to know if the to know specified package. So to know if specified package is installed or not. Okay. RPM-QA, just a command. If you give the RPM-A command to know how many packages, how many packages are installed. No, how many packages are installed. Okay. RPM hyphen QA pipe WC hyphen word count list. It will show the word count list. Guys, understood? RPM hyphen QA, RPM hyphen QA. So, for example, kernel, if the kernel package is installed or not. Okay. So, if the package to know kernel to know kernel package is installed or not. To know kernel package is installed or not. So you see, so RPM hyphen to know if the package is installed or not. RPM hyphen QA. Q means query, A means all. Query all kernel. Okay. So it will check if the kernel is installed or not. Understood, guys? What is this? The next command RPM. What is this? This is dollar. You will understand more. This is also before dollar. Before also dollar. So before also dollar. Okay. Yeah. So RPM hyphen QI kernel. QI kernel. I means will get the information. What is this? I is nothing but a info. You will get the kernel info. You will get the kernel info. Understood, guys? Next, dollar RPM hyphen QL kernel. What is this? Kernel. So what is that QL? To say how many files are installed from that kernel package. To see how many packages. To see how many packages. To see how many. Sorry, how many files are installed from kernel. So how many package. Okay. So that is how many packages RPM hyphen QD QD or something like some other company wget. So wget is nothing but it will get from the web, right? So QD. What is the D? So D is nothing but a documentation. QC, query configuration. QF, files from which package? The same like. Yes, understood? So this is nothing but a weaving and querying, verifying the packages. Querying and verifying the packages. I will show you. RPM hyphen QA. You show? So these many packages are installed on this machine. Okay. If you want to check a particular RPM, how many RPM hyphen QA pipe WC hyphen L 473 packages are installed. RPM hyphen QA grep hyphen I. So for example, wget. Yeah. So wget is installed. Kernel. Yes. So yeah. So these many kernel packages are installed. So RPM hyphen QI. Okay. QI kern or wget. You see, this is the information. Wget version and release architecture. So Friday 2025 application. So this is the information. Okay. QL. So where the packages are located. QD documentation. So you see the documentation. So this is the documentation. Okay. QI, QD, QA, QL, right? QC. You see, so the information will be configuration information will be available under the slash etc wget rc. So wget rc. Guys understood? So this is nothing but querying and verifying